welcome or welcome back to our channel. Today we are about to do a little shopping. So guys, I'm here in Valley Village doing a little shopping. I'm always taking you guys with me. So today we are trying to get a few new outfits for work here in Valley Village. Yes guys, let's come along with me. So guys, I wear small, so I'm standing at the small section and I'm looking at this top, which is thin, which is perfect for how the weather is. So I decided to get that one. That one is too thin for work anyways. Thin and not looking so good. I don't know why I decided to pick up that one. I like this one, but it's a little bit overpriced to be selling in Valley Village. I think it's like $18, but I like it and it's from Shein as well. But let's put it back. Plaid. Everywhere is plaid. There's a lot of plaid shirts on this aisle. I don't really like plaid anyways. This top is selling for $19 and I don't think I will be buying that in Valley Village.
This is so cute. Look at this. This is so cute. What do y'all think about this one? I like it.
I like buying jeans in Valley Village because I can always find my size. When I buy it in other stores, either have to try to adjust it to my size or wait till I get a little fat to wear the pants. But in Valley Village, I always find my size. So I like buying jeans in Valley Village.
Guys, take a look at this bag. What do you think about it? I'm liking this one. What do you think? $7.29, and it's clean. What do you guys think?
You'll have to decide. So good.
Guys, I am finished shopping. Let's see what's my total. I came here with an intention to buy clothes for work, but it did not work out. So let's go to the cashier, head home, and let you guys see what I bought. What you guys think about this? It's $9.99 and I like the jacket, so I got it.
Can this top be weird to work? No, I know, guys. I saw it and I like it, so I decided to get it. Most of the stuff that I got is not work related. I just saw stuff and like it. I just bought them. So yeah, I love in this top. I think it's for $6.99. I'm not sure right now. Here is something that I can wear to work. I think it is one of two things that I can literally wear to work other than the two pants that I got. But yeah, $7.99. I think in another life I was a model. What do you guys think? This is a simple cardigan. This is can wear with anything for me. So I like it. It's $5.99. Saw it, like it, buy it. That's it. This is work. This is all saying work. Thin, perfect for work because of spring, how it is feeling. Wearing this. This is maybe what I'll wear on Monday if I decide. $7.49. So yeah, work with a big. You can't go wrong with a nice jeans. $7.49. It's perfect. Loving it. Can wear for work, casual, going anywhere. Perfect for me. I got the bag. Loving the bag. $7 or $6.49 or 99. I'm not remembering the price at this moment, but I got the bag because it's not too big and it's not too small. Loving it. I can drop a few things in it for my kids, and yeah, that's it. Black jeans, trying to get into it. Yep, that's me. But guess what? I am going to get into these jeans because I bought it and I like it. Yes. I think sometimes most females have to do this, force themselves into a jeans that they like, and then stretch it a little. Stretch, yes. Come on, girl. Work yourself in. Zip up. There you go. Inhale. Yes, there you go. Close it. Yes. Turn, stretch. I think that's perfect. That's my black jeans. I'm ready. I'm gonna be wearing these jeans. I like these flats. I got them for, I think it's $8. I'm really loving these shoes.
So yes guys, those are the stuff that I bought at Value Village. Persons might be wondering why did I shop at Value Village? Why I buy those clothes at Value Village? But for me, I can't find clothes in stores here, not much anyways. Normally I buy my work clothes at Value Village. As you see, it didn't work out. I found out some goodies, so I just bought it. And if I'm going out or going for a dinner or any special occasion, I buy clothes online. But recently I found a store that have my size and I actually can find a dress. But what I found is Value Village have really good stuff and I don't mind buying clothes. It doesn't matter if it's second hand or it's new clothes. I also shop at Old Navy, but Old Navy is the same thing, big styles. Anyways, yeah. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed my little video. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Hit that notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video. Leave a comment, tell me how it look, all of that stuff. Thank you guys again. Thank you. And see you guys in the next video.